pardon me.
When you get to Malaysia, please do whatever you can to raise the money. I don't want to end up with that brash ex-convict, Afonwa. Please.
God forbid. You will not. I am going to work hard. I will do anything legal in Malaysia to raise the money and send to you people to repay Mr. Afonwa. Watching you while Papa was signing those dehumanizing loan deal before the elders and the police, it was humiliating to me. Why a young girl like you accepted to do it was not lost on me. You did it for me. You did it for the entire family. I tell you on my honor, sis, you will be the last person poverty will humiliate in this family. Poverty killed our brother Ikene. Poverty has reduced us to subhumans in the last 6 months. But I, Henry, I swear with my blood, I will fight to erase poverty in our lineage. I will do anything within my body and soul, Nancy. It's okay.
I believe you. And I know you will make us proud. And I will miss you.
I will miss you too. Please pray for me.
Henry, that's not a promise. It is a vow. And I will fast for you from time to time, okay?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Henry, enough of the hugging, please. We have a flight to catch. May we?
Okay, ma.
Once you get to Malaysia, you will go. Come on!
It's okay. My God will surely go with you, Mama. Nothing will happen to you. You will come back safely. You will prosper. Everything you lay your hand to do will surely prosper. Papa.
Go in peace and come back in peace. My God will be with you. Just be a man. Go. Come on.
No, you need to let me pray. Okay.
Again?
Yes, kneel down. The gods of our land will take you there and bring you back. It shall be well with you. You will make money in Malaysia and we shall be happy.
Yes.
It's going okay.
Enough.
Hey, Okiju Sadio, God of the poor, where are you? God of the poor, God of the poor. What's an awesome? What's an awesome? Where are you? God? Where are you? God of the poor. The cry of the poor. Smile today, cry tomorrow. God come. Wickedness of men have taken everything away from me. Chimo, Chimo, Bia. God of the poor.
Calling number. Who knows me abroad? Onyemo. Okay. Hello. Ah, Mabe. Hey, Okada Karaka. Komena Cash. Have you reached Malaysia with Henry? We have all been waiting for your call, Mabe. You would have called us. Hey. Oh, you're there now. Very well. How is Henry and his... Huh? Chineke. Momo. Hey. Momo Chineke me. Hey. Hey.
Get out of my way! Leave my father! Leave my father alone! Leave my father alone! Leave my husband. Leave my father alone.
I must still.
Leave my father.
You are not my collateral.
Leave my father alone.
So, Ezobia, open your door to one. Come out here.
Leave my father. Leave my father. Leave my father alone. Leave my father alone. Leave my father alone. Leave my father alone. Don't touch my father.
If you were not my collateral,
don't touch my father.
Teresa,
don't touch my father.
Teresa, I will deal with you.
Yeah.
Look, leave my husband alone. We are not by collateral. No, I can't.
Leave my father alone. Leave my father alone. Leave my father. Hey! Leave us alone. Leave us alone.
Look at this woman.
Chineke. Masikal. Hey.
Hey.
Did he wound you? Masikal. Sorry. Masikal, sorry.
Hey.
Sorry. Come and sit down there.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Did he enjoy any of you?
No. How did you know he fought us?
I just got the same call from his sister.
Mother?
Yes.
What did she tell you? Is my son okay? Talk to me. What did she tell you?
What did you know? What did you
Henry was arrested in Malaysia with a briefcase containing large quantities of cocaine. And implicated Mabel. Mabel was also arrested as a result. She was arrested 2 years.
I don't even understand. Who implicated who now? My small boy implicated Madam Mabel. How?
Mazikalu, wait. You mean that his sister called him, told him something, and as a result he came here to start assaulting my father?
Most certainly, yes. I know what I'm saying.
Hey!
Where are you, God? God of the where are you, God? Pains have really embraced us. Tears become our own food. Lost everything and no sign of hope. Hey,
Nancy.
Papa.
Nancy,
Mama.
Hey.
Papa, you look tired. Papa, come and sit down.
Stop. Oh no. We, the elders of Amachara in Indo-Abbas community, intervene to secure your release and that of your wife. Just because the people asked us to.
Thank you.
Wait, I have not finished. They did not do that because they believe you are innocent. Neither do we. Honor, ensure that our great daughter Mabel is released from the hands of Malaysian authority.
We know nothing about...
Shut up, you bad luck.
What did you just call me?
Bad luck! That's what you are. You and your whole family, you are bad luck. Even that one lying in the grave. Anyone that comes in contact with you meets with one misfortune or the other. You are complete bad luck.
Stop saying that.
Look at Mabel. What did Mabel do for you to visit her with such evil? Just for trying to help you? What did she do? Which is a wizard.
Mazikalo.
Shut up, Oberamus. Small witch.
Chinenye.
Junior witch. Listen. If Mabel does not safely return to this community, Amachala, Ndi Obase, 3 of you will be ostracized from this community. Yes. And if she ever comes to any harm over there, 3 of you will be hanged in Devil Forest.
How?
That's the decision of the elders of Amachala in the Pacific community. That is our final decision.
Are we in Malaysia?
Let's go.
Are we in Malaysia? How are you putting it on us?
Let's go.
I'm even talking of my son. You're there talking of Mabel. How is that my business?
Where are you, God? Pains have really embraced us. Tears become our own food. Lost everything and no sign of hope.
Breaking news.
Our correspondents covering the trial of 2 Nigerians in Malaysia, which has generated so much debate in the Nigerian media, social discourse, and diplomatic bad blood between Nigeria and Malaysia, just called in to say that the judge presiding over the case has delivered judgment. It is now, therefore, official that Mr. Henry Onora has been sentenced to death by hanging, also finding no concrete evidence to support his claim that one Miss Mabel Ojike, his co-defendant, was the real owner of the huge quantities of cocaine that he was caught with. The court discharged and acquitted Miss Mabel. Speaking after the trial, the Nigeria ambassador to Malaysia told newsmen that saying no prospect in pursuing further legal efforts to save Mr. Henry Onora through the Malaysian legal system, the battle will now shift to the diplomatic front. Analysts, however, see that as a battle lost even before it starts judging by the outcome of similar cases in the past. It will be recalled.
Hey, Akiju Asadio, God of the poor, where are you? God of the poor, God of the poor. Matanosa, where are you, God? Where are you? God of the poor. Ebekino, Chimo. Ebekino, where are you, God? Echem no the command, the cry of the poor. Smile today, cry tomorrow. God come. Wickedness of men have taken everything away from me. Chimo, Chimo, Bia. God of the poor. Chimo, Benye. Ebekino. Where are you, God? God of the poor. Chimo, Benye. God of the poor. away from me.
Thank you, God.
Smile today, cry tomorrow. God, why? Wickedness of man have taken everything away from me.
This is fraud. Don't touch me, don't touch fraud. This is not fair. This is fraud. This is 419. This is what cannibal. Is it? Is it intimidating you? What is all this? Get out from here. Step aside. I didn't know what happened. Step aside. Officers, come and do your job. Shut you. I'll follow.
Oh my God. OMG. Baby, you mean he came here with this kind of thing and you are rushing me for sex? Where did you get this?
As I was searching for a novel to fight my burden in his private library, I found a safe hidden somewhere. Inside the safe, I found this.
So, how did you open the safe?
Well, after a series of trials and failures, a combination of his birth date and our wedding date opened the safe.
Wow. A copy of his will? Maybe this man literally willed over 60% of his assets to you, including this hotel. Man, this fool really loves you.
Oh, I knew all along. But so bad for him. The feeling is not and has never been mutual. You know why? Because I love you.
And the feeling is absolutely mutual. You know, this changes the entire calculation for us. I mean, all the stress that we have been going through over the months is entirely over. This is a massive breakthrough for us, trust me.
I know, right? You know what? Raymond has really frustrated our plans, starting from plan A, B, and C. But you know what? I am so happy because this is huge. This is massive.
It
covers
is.
all the pains, all the sorrows, all the frustration.
And it calls for a celebration.
Of course. Another round.
I'm about to hit you real hard.
Oh, baby. Come on, come have me. Come have me, baby. Oh, please. Finding and going through the content of your will instantly gave me a new idea that will settle this little drama between you and us. And that's what we're here to inform you about.
Whatever your so-called idea is, if it involves me playing a role in it, forget it. Because I'll never comply, even at the point of death.
That's the beauty of it all. You have zero role to play in it. You have now become absolutely expendable. Your will and the massive chunk of wealth that you gave to me has automatically rendered you irrelevant.
Both of you are here to kill me, right? Or are you here to supervise Dunga? Do it. Which is it?
Your death now will raise a lot of questions and create needless headaches for us. We won't do it now. Rather, we will create a form of drama to shield us from any form of suspicion, either now or later.
Kidnap drama. We've been lying to people about your instant traveling abroad. So we'll also need time to inform them of your return and also fake the kidnap.
And then my death will be arranged to look like a kidnap that terribly went wrong.
Smart ass. You see, this is why I like you. We will need time to carefully plan and execute it. Baby?
Yes, baby.
It's hot in here. Gotta find its bounce.
What have I done wrong to deserve this? Is it a crime to fall in love and maintain that love? Is it a crime to show someone how much you love her? Is it a crime? Is it a crime?
You're beautiful.
Hello, Dunga. What's up? Don, as in that he's been buried and you and your guys are out of the place? No police? No incidents at all? Oh, you are in town? Okay, that's good. Oh, no, we're not at the hotel, no. Okay, no problem, just go to the hotel, pick a room, eat and drink anything you want. I'll pick the bills tomorrow. Yeah, fine. Aloy will come with your balance tomorrow also. Alright, no problem. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Okay, bye. Baby, The idiot has successfully been buried in the forest.
Yes.
Yes.
My baby.
I love you.
This is the beginning of a new start.
I love you too.
We made it.
Maybe we're rich. We are rich.
Rich.
Where are you, God? God of the poor. She won't where are you, God? Pains have really embraced us. Tears become our own food. Lost everything and no sign of hope. Hey, oh, Kiju and Sadio, God of the poor. Where are you? God of the poor. God of the poor. What's an awesome? What's an awesome? Where are you? God? Where are you? God of the poor. Where are you, God? Echem no the command, the cry of the poor. Smile today, cry tomorrow. God come. Wickedness of man have taken everything away from me. Chimo, Chimo.
Why are you screaming? Eh? Has epilepsy finally thrown you a useless father into fire? Eh?
My father is not epileptic. And the only useless man I know in this world, it is this walking corpse talking to me right now.
Walking corpse that pounds the triangular flesh in between your legs every night like fufu. What about that useless Ozodemwa Getma you call your father? Can he compare? Can you compare to him? Can you compare?
Please go have your bag, Biko.
Can you compare with Afri Popo?
I don't even know which one to endure. Is it your follow come body odor? Or your mouth odor? Award-winning mouth odor? Or is it your fat that smells like vulture? I'm taking
Because I'm not taking my bath for 3 days, I will forgive you and take my bath before my body disowns me. You are dressed already? Huh? It is only a few minutes after 7. Is anything the matter?
Have you forgotten? You promised to take me to the hospital for checkup.
Hey, Toro, I've told you, I am self-employed. I am not like your useless father who wasted his active years with the railway corporation, but has nothing to show for it but abject poverty, and is now known as the Ogbenye unknown to one of the others. Eh? Look, Toro, I would lie. You are not even my type of woman. It is because I got you on a platter of gold. The kind of women I love are those women with good talent. You know, when you carry them on Okada, The Okada is that way and the Godson is greeting all the people on the street. That's the kind of women I like. I have nothing to do with their complexion. This is Ocha Abogema at all. Your father is poor, your mother is one. Where would you?
And she betrayed my trust. Though I'm with someone, and yet I am lonely. What have I done wrong to deserve this? Is it a crime to fall in love and maintain that love? Is it a crime to show someone how much you love her? Is it a crime? Is it a crime? Someone please tell me. I gave her my heart, but she chose to break it. I gave her all my trust, and she betrayed my trust. Though I'm with someone, and yet I am lonely. What have I done wrong to deserve this? Is it a crime to fall in love and maintain that love? Is it a crime to show someone how much you love her? Is it a crime? Is it a crime? Someone please tell me. What have I done wrong to deserve this? Is it a crime to fall in love and maintain that love? Is it a crime to show someone how much you love her? Is it a crime? Is it a crime? Someone please tell me. I gave her my heart, but she chose to break it. I gave her all my trust, and she betrayed my trust. Though I'm with someone, and yet I am lonely. What have I done wrong to deserve this? Is it a crime to fall in love and maintain that love? Is it a crime to show someone?
This must be a male and a female antelope about to meet. If I wish to see them very well first before firing, they will likely see me first and escape. No, I can't take such a risk. Not today that I have hunted all through the night with nothing to show for it.
Hey. Where are you? Hey, where are you? Where are you?
The cry of the poor. Smile today, cry tomorrow. God come. Wickedness of men have taken everything away from me. Chimo, Chimo, Bia. God of the poor. Chimo, where are you, God of the
Please come and take me home.
Hey.
Easy.
Mrs. Easy. Is the doctor through with you? Huh? Did he confirm what I suspected was wrong with you, which is also the disease? Huh?
If you don't want to see the devil in me, take me home right now.
Hey, what is wrong with poor people? Why are poor people always angry unnecessarily? Have you forgotten that the money you used to pay the doctor is my money?
Start this car.
What is this?
Start this car. Else I will cut your manhood at the count of 3.
What has come over you?
1. 2.
Okay, wait, because let me start it.
Pains have really embraced us. Tears become our own food. They lost everything and no sign of hope.
Leave me alone, I will kill myself. I will kill myself. Is it my crime? Is it a crime that my family is poor? And even if it's a crime, how is it my crime, Afua? How?
You know you're not making sense, Dorothy.
How will I make sense to you? How will I make sense to you, Afua? It is only my death that will make sense to you. Thank you for pushing me to doing this.
Pushing you into what?
I curse you and your family. I curse you, Afua. I curse you for ignoring my pleas. I curse you for raping me repeatedly. I curse you for getting me pregnant. I curse you.
My goodness. My goodness. What happened to you?
Oh, shot.
Afua, let's help him. He's still alive. Let's help him.
I'm out of here this minute.
Afua.
Honestly.
Afua, if you take another step, I will kill you. If you take another step without this fellow, I will stab you to death.
Are you crazy? Do you know who he is? Do you know him? He said he was shot. Do you know who shot him? Do you know why? He's a total stranger and could be dangerous as well.
I don't care. Afua, let's save a soul. Let's save a life.
You don't care. I'm out of here. Stab me if you can.
Okay, fine. I will become your legitimate wife. If you save him.
But you just cursed my family and I
will revoke the curse. Please, let's save him. Please.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Where are you, God? God of the poor. She won't of hope. Hey, Okiju Wasadio, God of the poor. Where are you? God of the poor. God of the poor. What's an awesome?
Afunwa, you're giving him more cuts in the same place he was shot.
Yes. If he must survive, you have to remove the bullet sharpener lodged inside his body. And that's what I'm just doing.
But...
Are you sure the water in your hand is hot? Huh?
It's hot.
Have I not told you that I was trained as a medic in the Boy Scouts and later on in man of war? Have I not told you that?
You've never... Afunwa, stop going deeper.
Shut up.
You stop going deeper.
Will you stop talking and allow me concentrate?
Afunwa, seriously, I'm beginning to have some reservations about your insistence that we tend this man ourselves. Why are you cutting him like that? Are you planning on killing him simply because I told you to help?
Will you stop talking and allow me concentrate?
I refuse to trade words with you. I refuse to pick quarrels with you. You will not succeed in tempting me into trading words with you over a dying man instead of doing all we can to help him.
Please, in the name of God, shut up and allow me to concentrate.
Afunwa, you seem not to understand the implications of having this man die in our house. So. Let's take him to the hospital to save ourselves from this trouble.
If we do that, how do we explain his gunshot wound and other injuries to the doctor? Who do we tell people he is? Have you forgotten that in this part of the world, most doctors would not want to treat a gunshot victim without police permit? If we reach out to the police for such permit, what do you think they will do to us? They will open a shop on our heads. And I know that you and your wretched father will not be of any help in a situation like that. Am I wrong? If he dies, it's only two of us who know about his presence here. So if he dies, I take him back to the forest and bury him in the night.
Chinenye, Afunwa, it's a human being you're talking about like this. This is someone's son, perhaps a father and husband. How can you say such a thing?
Okay. Do you want me to take him back to the forest right now? Right away? Eh?
Continue, but take it easy.
Then shut up your mouth and let's clean and bind him up. Hey!
Boss, stop cutting him like that. You're going deeper.
And clean him up.
Why you're cutting him too deep?
Henry!
Papa, why? Papa, why did you do it?
Why did I do what?
Papa, I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
Please, whoever you people are, please, don't hang him. He's my only son, my only surviving son. Don't kill him, please.
If he dies, your son dies.
No.
Save him, and your only surviving son will be saved.
What are you talking about? Save who?
The man you shot and abandoned in the forest. Take him away.
No. Please. Please. Please.
I want to die.
Please.
Take him away.
Please, Papa.
Please.
Henry! Oh God! So this is a dream.
God of the poor, where are you? God of the poor, God of the poor, Matanosa, Matanosa, where are you? God? Where are you? God of the poor, Ebekino, Chimo, Chimo, Ebekino, where are you, God? Echem no the command, the cry of the poor. Smile today, cry tomorrow. God come. Wickedness of men have taken everything away from me. Chimo, Chimo, Bia, God of the poor. Chimo, where are you? God of the poor. God of the poor. Where are you, God? God of the poor.
No. That can be. No. Could it be that wild animals have come and consumed him? It was possible. It is not possible. There is no trace of such happening here. No. There is no trace of such thing happening here. No. Hey! Hey! Hello! Where are you? I am back to help you. Please. Hello? Don't be afraid. I'm here to help you, please. Where are you, please? I will not hurt you. I'm back to help you. Oh.
Chimo, Bia. Where are you, God? God of the poor. Chimo, where are you, God? Pains have really embraced us. Tears become our own food. It lost everything and no sign of hope. Hey, oh, Kiju was said
Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me.
You are weak.
Afunwa! 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 Afunwa, he's awake! He's regained consciousness!
He's awake.
Help me. Help me.
Yes, we will help you. But first, who are you? How did you end up where we encountered you?
Huh?
Huh?
I don't know. I don't know. Help me. Help me.
What about your parents? Your siblings or even friends? Anybody we can contact? Hey, what's wrong?
Afunwa! Afunwa! What is wrong with him? What? Hey!
Hold him. Hold him.
Hey!
He's still alive. He has relapsed into unconsciousness again.
Let's take this man to the hospital.
But he will come up again. He will regain consciousness again. Then maybe he'll be able to answer our questions.
Let's take him to the hospital, Afunwa.
Adobia, we are not taking him anywhere, and that is final.
Afunwa, please.
How much do you have in your personal account? How much? Eh?
You and I know that I don't have any savings.
You see it. You see it. So, even if I agree with you to take him to the hospital, eventually I will be the one to pay all his bills. How many times have I told you that whenever situations involving me, ego, are involved, miserable church rats like you and your father should keep your mouths shut. Go and sleep, Adobiam.
I'm not leaving his side.
Okay. Good luck. Good luck.
Wickedness of men have taken everything away from me. Chimo, Chimo, Bia. God of the poor. Chimo,
This same dream again? This is the 5th time this night alone. Of course, my son was sentenced to death in Malaysia, and all means of saving his life has been exhausted. How in the name of God is this case connected to a mistake I made in the forest yesterday? I've done my best to locate and help the fellow I accidentally shot to no avail. Can't whatever is behind this nightmare see that I have made every sincere effort towards that and felt due to no fault of mine? How can I help somebody I cannot find? God, please forgive me the way I left him after the unfortunate shooting. And if there be any remedy still left for my son, let it come to pass without this difficult condition. I have suffered enough, God. Please let me have some peace. Let me live the rest of my poor life in peace. Please, God.
Where are you, God?
If you hurt Afunwa, Papa, you will have my corpse in your hands. I have have agreed to become his wife.
You have done what? How on earth could...
I did it. I did it, Papa. I did it to have him save a wounded and dying man. He made me hold his manhood and swear that I will willingly marry him if he agreed to save his life.
God have mercy. Who is the fellow that used such a dangerous oath in order to help? Are you not aware that in the tradition of our Nigerian community, the implication of such oath is that if you fail to marry him as you swore, you will die instantly if you set your eyes on another man's manhood.
I am aware, but what would you have me do? He lost consciousness while begging we save his life. He was bleeding so much from the injury, Papa. He was shot.
Did you say he was shot? Nancy, did you say he was shot? Where?